is done, and Willow Nightingale ready to put the exclamation point.
Sit out power. Gut wrench. Into the sit out power bomb.
John with that kick. This could be dangerous. Bay bomb. Shades of Akira Hokuto, and that is
absolutely gorgeous. Everyone here showing their best.
French power bomb.
Babe with the power bomb indeed.
Oh, to face. She's going for a gut wrench. Into him. Oh my God.
Nipping back up, catching a kick right to the face.
Gut wrench, sit out power bomb.
Willow though with the gut wrench. Gut wrench power bomb. She sits all the way out. One.
And it's the dangerous Babe. That's it, Riccaboni. I'm telling you.
Else.
Got that gut wrench sinked in deep.
Gonna try it.
Oh!
Dr. Bomb.
And now Willow Nightingale. What's she gonna find here? My God, sit out power bomb. There, Willow.
Gut wrench. Dr. Bomb coming up.
Oh my God!
Confidence is building.
Gonna try that Dr. Bomb. Hit it on the shoulder.
Who is planning Laney Luck? Has her up. Oh, the dangerous Babe bomb. That's gotta be it.
Like instinct and reflex.
Gonna try the gut wrench. Dr. Bomb. Dr. Bomb, maybe.
Got the gut wrench.
Hit all of it. Gut wrench. Dr. Bomb.
Gut wrench. Into a power bomb.
Dr.
See you
Bomb.
later. That's it. That's it.
The match is not over.
Oh!
Babe bomb.
Oh!
Babe bomb. That's gotta do it. She's next.
She's fighting back, but she's hurt.
Power bomb. Caught the spear. Can she power her up? Into the gut wrench power bomb. Folded up.
That kick from Willow Nightingale.
Oh, going for the gut wrench power bomb.
Babe bomb connects.
Oh, now she's going for the gut wrench.
She nailed it. Willow.
Just got shoved off. Willow was having none of it. Gut wrench power bomb from Willow Nightingale.
Now gonna go for the Dr. Bomb. Sits out with it.
The big guns out. Going for that power bomb. Yeah, looking for the. Oh, that's it. She got that. Cover. On the head. She's going nowhere.
Oh!
Kick right to the midsection. Load him up. It's the Dr. Bomb.
Nightingale. Looking to hook. The dangerous Babe bomb!
She hit it.
For Adora. Willow Nightingale. Plants her with the power bomb. God, that was high on the shoulder.
I don't think it's gonna matter if the shoulder was clipped because now the dangerous Babe bomb connects.
That's gotta be it.
By Willow. Could she look for the dangerous Babe bomb? Babe with the power. Looking for that gut wrench power bomb once more. Here in the center of the ring, it connects for Willow Nightingale. She's done it.